right, the system that is going to be, that it is bringing those Santa Ana winds is moving over us right now, and we have a little bit of moisture and a chance for some showers. In fact, as we look towards Mount Laguna right now, you can see those clouds thickening up. Borrego Springs as well. Beautiful sunset. Most of the rain that we see is going to be evaporating before it reaches the surface, Virga, and that's because the surface is so much drier. But there is a lot of moisture out there. I think this is the main reason that the red flag warning actually doesn't begin until 4 a.m., even though those high wind warnings are already in effect. Because look at these winds we're seeing. Ramona already seeing gusts near 40 miles per hour, over 20 along the 8 in Alpine, Harrison Park, Oceanside, and Poway, even seeing those gusts over 20 and 30 miles per hour. The wind will continue to build overnight tonight into tomorrow, with the worst of the wind early tomorrow morning. Speaking of the mountains, Palomar Mountain and Mount Laguna, where we are in the 30s, I would not be surprised if we see some snow flurries with this system tonight into early tomorrow. Meanwhile, Oceanside, Carlsbad, and El Cajon are all in the 70s right now. So the wind is going to be howling early in the morning and through the morning hours. You can see this is kind of what we're looking at as far as those wind gusts go for a lot of the inland and mountain communities. As I've been saying since yesterday, widespread gusts, 25 to 50 miles per hour, even all the way to the 15 corridor. And then those peak winds. So if you're traveling along the 8 through the mountains overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, we're going to see gusts 60, 70 miles per hour easily. Temperatures tomorrow in the 70s for most coast and inland neighborhoods. It is going to be a cold and windy one in the mountains tomorrow in the 40s, mild in the deserts, but even could see a few gusts in the deserts up to 45 miles per hour. Everybody is going to be feeling this Santa Ana wind event. This is the setup that we have. So there's the storm system that has some moisture coming into the county right now. As it moves farther south, we're going to be on the dry side of this system, and no more rain is going to be in the forecast. It's going to be all about that wind. Humidity levels dropping to 5 to 15%. So overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, there you go. There's that slight chance for a little bit of rain coming down, and again, maybe even a few snow flurries in the mountains. It's not going to stick. It's not going to last. There was actually a few inches of snow in the San Bernardino Mountains overnight and early this morning. All right, fire weather threat pretty much encompasses the entire county today and into tomorrow. But tomorrow you can see it's a lot more widespread, a lot more of that red, indicating that high fire threat, but really focused over the inland and mountain communities. The Santa Ana Wildfire Threat Index forecasting a high event for us tomorrow. This is on Wednesday. That basically means what you would expect. Any fires that start are going to be burning rapidly and will be very difficult to control. I love this map. I love this futurecast because it really shows you a really good picture of how quickly those winds are going to be sweeping through. This is right now. That continues overnight. That continues into the day tomorrow. This is at noon. Then Thursday morning, we may get a little break, and then they pick up again. So the winds remain gusty, and it remains quite dry through Thursday. That Santa Ana Wildfire Threat Index that I just showed you, we're in a marginal threat on Thursday. So it does drop down a little bit, but it's still going to be high fire danger on Thursday. Much weaker winds on Friday. Briefly have the sea breeze return on Saturday. By Saturday night, Sunday, those offshore winds return, and we remain dry as we head into next week. So we're pretty much in a long stretch of Santa Ana winds, but this is the main event. This is going to be the worst of it over the next 24 to 48 hours. Temperatures cool off into the 60s by the end of the week into the weekend for the coast, but we will see a few 60s tomorrow. Inland neighborhoods, 70s during the day. Overnight, if you're in a wind-sheltered area, it's going to be cold. We're going to be waking up into the 30s. The mountains also very cold at night, cool during the day, but tomorrow easily the coldest with highs in the mere 40s. And the deserts, temperatures pretty close to 70 degrees into next week.